Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product makes an absolutely great gift for anybody that likes collecting flowers or making custom prints. And that is because it is a bamboo flower press kit. This thing was pretty cool. It was sent over and you're gonna get everything you need right off the bat to get started. So it's gonna have some light assembly. You're gonna basically put on the side arms in the top part here. It includes even a screwdriver to assemble it, so you don't need any extra tools or anything like that. It also comes with an easy to read instruction sheet that tells you all about it. Now, this is a nice size setup here. Give you an idea of the size. The plate itself is about 11 inches long. It's about 7 inches wide. And then the base plate that it sits on, it's off the ground. It's basically combined here when they're compressed is about 6 inches, if you will. Now, you are gonna have multiple ways to keep this nice and compressed. You're gonna notice you're gonna have little wings here. You're gonna go ahead and just lower those so it's nice and tight. And then you have the big knob in the middle, so that way your compression is nice and strong. Now, it's gonna come with the ability to do multiple sets. So this isn't just a one set and basically done. You're gonna get a package of 10 of these little cardboard sheets. These are reusable, so don't throw them away. But they give you spares over time if they get kind of nasty or anything like that. Then you can get rid of them, but they're not like a use one and done. Then you're gonna get a package here of 24 blotting paper. Every time you utilize this, you're gonna use 2 of these sheets, same just like the cardboard. So you're gonna get a total of 12 presses out of the kit right off the bat. Obviously, you can always get new blotting paper, whether it's from this brand or from somebody else. You can cut it down to size, whatever you need to go ahead and utilize this. Now, to make sure your flowers are all like nice and composed, if you will, they're gonna give you some little stainless steel metal tweezers here. You're also gonna get a razor blade to cut off any stems or anything like that to make sure they're all nice and positioned. Also gonna get nice little scissors as well. And then you're gonna get also a little spreader, so that way you can get in there and make sure the little petals are positioned how you want them. And then how it works is you're simply gonna take, very, very easy, you're gonna take your bottom piece of cardboard, you're gonna put down your first blotted paper, go ahead and do your composition how you want. Then you're gonna take your next blotted paper and then your cardboard, make sure everything's nice and lined, then go ahead and slide it into the press, make sure everything's nice and covered, and then you're gonna go ahead and I twist the main knob so that way it's all the way down, and then you go ahead and do the side wing nuts, and so that way it's all nice and compacted. Now, depending on how humid, I'm in a more humid area, so I like to leave it for about a week, because you want to make sure it's thoroughly dry before pulling it out. So that's, I do about 5 to 7 days. If you're more in a dryer, you could probably get away with less, but that gets you like a good blot on your paper. But overall, like I said, it's a lot of fun. Even if you're looking for an arts and crafts setup with the kiddos, they can go out, pick out their own plants and leaves and flowers and do their own setup. Or if you're into somebody that likes doing flower impressions and framing them, this is a really cool, easy to use set and totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.